Today at the garden road, every child will have a voice. Today at the garden road, every teacher will listen. They will speak of joy, of trouble, of curiosity. They will tell their stories, their worries, with true intensity, and we will hear them. We will listen. We will hear